The idea being that from this vantage point, anyone could see any dangers coming from anywhere. And if we look out this part right here, I'm not sure how stable this is. So you can see pretty far. And yeah, the walls really are that thick. Look at that. Crazy. There's not much left of Castle Varick. Unfortunately, we can't stay up here all night because the midges are thick. That's what's left of this watchtower. Over and out.